Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Adobe Sign for beginners. Adobe Sign is a digital tool that lets you send, sign, and manage documents electronically without printing, scanning, or mailing. It's designed to make signing contracts, agreements, or any paperwork quick and secure. Let's go step by step so you can feel confident using it. First, open Adobe Sign by logging in to your Adobe account online. On the dashboard, you'll see options like Send for Signature, Manage, and Fill and Sign. If your goal is to sign something yourself, click Fill and Sign. Here, you can upload a PDF, Word, or any document, and Adobe will open it in an editor. You'll notice tools on the right side that let you add text, check marks, or even your digital signature. To create your signature, click the Signature tool, then either draw your signature with a mouse, type your name in a chosen style, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Once it's placed on the document, just save it and you're done. Now, if you need someone else to sign, click Send for Signature. Upload the document and enter the email addresses of the people who need to sign. You can assign roles, like who needs to sign first, and add fields where they need to fill information, such as name, date, or initials. Adobe Sign automatically sends them an email with a secure link. When they click, they'll be guided to sign electronically, and you'll be able to track the progress in real time. You'll see if the document was viewed, signed, or still pending. Once all parties sign, everyone receives a copy of the finalized document, which is legally binding and stored in your Adobe account. From the Manage tab, you can keep track of every document, check status updates, and even send reminders if someone hasn't signed yet. This makes it really easy to handle multiple contracts or forms at once without losing track. And finally, one of the best parts of Adobe Sign is its security. Every document comes with audit trails, timestamps, and verification details, so you know signatures are authentic. You can also access Adobe Sign on mobile, which is super convenient if you're traveling or working outside the office. And that's it. Using Adobe Sign is really just about uploading, placing fields, and sending documents out. Once you get comfortable with these basics, you'll see how much time it saves compared to traditional paperwork. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.